Solve the inequality. X squared plus 4x minus 5 is less than or equal to 0. Looking at this inequality, I can see that it factors. So I'm going to factor it first. It's going to be x plus 5 times x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Okay, and then what I could use is I could use the zero product property to find the x-intercepts here. It'll be x equals negative 5 and 1. So then I'm going to plot those intercepts, negative 5, positive 1. And then I'm going to sketch a parabola through here. Notice that you have a positive x squared, which means a parabola that represents this inequality. It would be y equals x squared plus 4x minus 5. So the parabola, and you can just sketch it. I mean, it doesn't have to be precise at all. So it's going to go down like this, and then up like this. That's somewhat how the parabola would look. The only thing you need this sketch for is to determine where you're going to be less than or equal to 0. Now remember, this is the line x equals 0 is the x-axis. So you want to know the values where you're equal to 0 or less than 0. So right here at x equals negative 5, that's an x-intercept. X equals positive 1 is an x-intercept. So you're going to be less than 0 or equal to 0 at negative 5 and all the values of x up until positive 1. So your answer for the inequality is x is greater than or equal to negative 5, less than or equal to 1. So this is a visual solution process here. We sketched a parabola based on the x-intercepts and then used that as a visual aid to determine where the x values are less than or equal to 0, which is where the parabola was on or below the x-axis.